Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are all doing great. One of the reasons why we love superbikes is because of its looks, its power, its handling and the pure sound that it makes. So in today's video, we are going to discuss about the best sounding bikes in the world. Well, this might not be the favorite for everyone, but these are my favorites and I hope you guys like this video. And if you guys have your own favorite bike, make sure to mention the name of your bike in the comment section below. So let's move on with the video. Number 1 in our list is the 2013 Triumph Daytona 675R. The Triumph Daytona 675R. It comes with an inline 3-cylinder engine that puts out 116 bhp and 70 Nm of torque. This is one of the best sounding inline 3-cylinder engines in the world. Take a listen to its sound. Number 2 in our list is the Suzuki GSX R1000. The bike uses an inline 4-cylinder liquid-cooled engine that puts out 202 bhp at 13,200 rpm and 118 Nm of torque at 10,000 rpm. Number 3 in our list is a 2018 BMW S1000R, the asymmetric one. It comes with an inline 4-cylinder engine that puts out 200 bhp at 30,500 rpm and 130 Nm of torque at 10,500 rpm. The bike has also made an appearance in the series of film done by Tom Cruise, The Mission Impossible. And number 4 on our list is the 1990 Honda CBR 250 RR MC22. The bike has been powered by an inline 4-cylinder 250cc engine that puts out 45 bhp and 25 Nm of torque. Even if the bike makes only 45 bhp with a 250cc engine, the bike's engine can rev up to a limit of 20,000 rpm, which makes the bikes sounds like any other superbikes. Take a listen to its sound. And number 5 is the Yamaha R1M edition. The Yamaha R1M comes with an inline 4-cylinder engine that puts out 200 bhp at 13,500 rpm and 112 Nm of torque at 11,500 rpm. It is the only bike in the segment to have a cross-plane crankshaft technology, and take a listen to its sound. The Kawasakhi S2R. The Kawasakhi S2R is arguably the most sinister looking bike in the world. It comes with a 1000cc inline 4-cylinder engine that puts out 305 bhp at 14,000 rpm and 165 Nm of torque at 12,500 rpm. It is the only bike in the world that comes with a supercharged engine from the factory, and the bike has maintained a record of 0 to 400 km for a production bike within just 26 seconds. The bike has an overall weight of 216 kilograms and has a fuel tank capacity of 17 liters and makes our ears bleed. Take a listen to his sound. The 2006 Ducati Desmosedicci RR. The Desmosedicci RR is actually a race bike. The Ducati has just thrown over an indicator or a headlight over a race bike and called it a road legal bike. This bike comes with an L4 engine that puts out 200 bhp at 13,500 rpm and 116 Nm of torque at 10,500 rpm. The bike comes with a multi-plate dry slipper clutch, which the Ducati is known for, and is arguably one of the best sounding L4 engines in the whole world. So I hope you guys liked this video, and please show some love in the form of like, share and subscribe. So until the next time, this is Autologist signing off.